Hey everyone, it's Donna. This is a quick video and we're going to talk about storage and making the most of every piece of storage in your room. We're going to start at the corner. Shoe storage. Okay. I purchased this from Amazon from a company, Benzo. Very cool, very cool container storages. Let me show you this. This holds up to 18 pairs of shoes, but actually I have probably 20 in there. At the top, I'm using it for hat storage, a shelf. You could put your purse there. And let's just go around the room here. I have a hook on the back of the door. I have my laundry in here. And it has I got this from Amazon. It has a zipper at the bottom. So I have to just drop a basket underneath and put it in the basket and take it into the laundry room. Over here, I put lights in my cabinets. I have most of my clothing in. They are in different colors, like blue, pinks and reds, yellows, whites. And I've separated them into different categories. Athletic wear, and then down here is spring clothing at the bottom. Show you down here. This is all spring tops. And I'm a graduate. I've got my master's from IU. So there's my IU stuff. There's my Daughters of the American Revolution's clothing. And up here I have some golf shirts and some blacks. Okay, I put everything on pink hangers with a gold hook. Okay, here I have my purses. I put my nail polish here, some of it. And then we come over here, and I bought this vanity. I needed a lot of drawers for some of my things, and so I found this is the IKEA vanity dupe. So it has what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 10 drawers available for storage. My perfume, I've got it together in 2 different sections there. Dresses, cocktail dresses are in a different area of this house. There we go. My diabetic supplies. I bought 2 ottomans. One's a little chair, they're matching, and that was just by luck. I found the same color and the same pattern in 2 different places, but my diabetic supplies goes there. You lift up the lids and there it is. Easy to reach, handy dandy. My travel bag is over there. So hang on, I want to show you everything else. Hang on a second. Sweaters, and I need to straighten these up a bit. But I can see my sweaters. I have them in different categories, such as cardigans, whatever. Heavy sweaters, spring sweaters, cashmere sweaters, just so that I know it's an easy reach to get to them. Top drawer, I have different bins for short socks, like shorty socks, and then another for, the thicker socks, the boot socks, etc. Bras, lingerie, second drawer, and the other 2 are for my undergarments, as well as for cover tops that layer underneath heavier items. Here are some, I put most of my, just like overalls, jeans, they're in here. And then winter clothing up here. I bought it a while back, and I think you guys may have seen it before in one of my videos. This is a jewelry armoire. It holds a ton of jewelry. And then I'm going to show you inside my this little closet is where I keep some jackets and coats. So let's take a look. I put a shoe rack as well because I have a lot of shoes. Shoe rack here. I have hanging boots right there. Some coats here. Hats up there. And I have a little step stool down here in the corner for easy reach items. I can reach up and grab a hat out or whatever I need. Close that up. Just to show you how I folded some of my sweatshirts. I have them so they're folded to the top of the drawer. And then I have, of course, like my leggings are in the next drawer, but these are more of the baggier sweatpants, dress, leggings. And you'll see, like I said, that I have folded them so that they reach the height so that I get the most space for my room. Okay. And I'm not going to go through all the drawers. I just wanted to kind of show you what I am doing over in the corner. I wanted a tea bar, so you'll see that. I wanted a cabinet back here for some of the storage for candles, cups, and miscellaneous things with my tea down below. A little cosmetic for refrigerator is there. And that's it, guys. My fun dresses, my diabetic travel bags, my backpack when I'm goofing around. And I have made use of every inch of space, even down to something like this, where I can put newer items at easy reach. And, of course, you have to have a little waste paper basket, and I thought that is so cute. Okay. So we're going to stop for now. I just wanted to give you an idea how to organize your things. I at first had these facing outward, but I felt that I was getting more space by turning the bottom shelf, the bigger purses, sideways. Okay. So we're going to stop right now. And if you have any questions, please ask me. And I hope this helped you a little bit when you're trying to find space for things. And you're searching the internet. It's a tough thing sometimes. But just like this little box, I just found this the other day. It's handy dandy. And I can walk over and grab a pair of shoes out of it. I like to see the things that I own. I don't want to search for things. I don't want to do it. Anyway, we're going to sign off for now. And we will see you soon. Bye-bye.